Hi friends, I'm here today with this two-piece ergonomic mouse. This set is great, heavy-duty, rechargeable, cordless, does come with included cords if required, easy to use quick start guide to get going, toggle between up to 3 devices, and has different setting modes to set up for your comfort and ease while using. I want to add the number pad is separate, which makes it unique and simple to use. A leather wrist pad, which is a hard pad that gives your wrist support while using. USB Type-C recharge is quick, convenient for recharging and using. Ergonomic, it's comfortable, it's great, and simple and easy to use. Bluetooth design makes it great to attach and connect up to 3 devices. Mac, Windows, Android accessible. This is going to be a great keyboard to use in your home. 2 hours full charge, 250 hours standby time. Auto sleep after 30 minutes. Curved ergonomic split design makes it accessible and convenient. 4 adjustable legs, leather wrist pad surface. This is quiet to use, easy to connect, and gonna be your favorite.
This keyboard is easy and quick to connect. I love that the number pad is separate and has 4 different adjustable pieces. USB attachment is included in the back and easy and simple to use. I love that you can adjust these to the different heights required for your comfort and ease. Simple, easy to adjust as needed. Separate number pad makes it comfortable and versatile. You can toggle back and forth between 3 devices, Bluetooth and USB, which makes it simple and effective. Rechargeable over and over so you can use at ease. Light indicators show between your 3 devices, 2 Bluetooth and 1 USB makes it a quick, easy, and accessible. The number pad being separate is also convenient. The ergonomic design feels amazing, and the leather wrist support is also super convenient, beautiful, and high quality. This brings comfort while using. Simple, effective, and looks amazing, and also gives great support for all day. I love how easy it is to type, to use, and to go back and forth. Highly recommend.
This is extremely high quality, great for office use, business use, home use, and great for all of your devices. Bluetooth Connect is accessible, comfortable, and high quality. I absolutely love this, and you will too.